WinMax version 11 is Herco's most powerful control ever. Now optimized to provide superior finish quality and part accuracy, our patented Ultimotion system provides fully synchronized axis to spindle control, considerably improving tapping and threading performance in our lathe product line. Lathe customers will also experience new levels of efficiency provided by concurrent programming. You can now build new programs while cutting parts, saving time between setups. Check for errors, compute estimated runtime, and Herco's industry-leading recovery restart are now available for all conversational and NC turning operations. Our new tool setup simplifies changing tools while improving operator workflow. And with double the processing power over previous WinMax versions, we have dramatically enhanced system and graphics performance for a user-friendly experience.